The purpose of this video is to help you understand how to handle a property damage claim if you're involved in a crash. This is going to be a two-part series. The first part, we're going to talk about how you deal with your own insurance company, and if you decide to pursue your own insurance company replacing your vehicle or repairing your vehicle. In the next series or in the next video, we're going to help explain how you deal with the other person's insurance company for the at-fault driver. If your vehicle was involved in a crash and it was your fault, you'll look to your own insurance policy to cover repairs to your vehicle. Now, it's pretty simple in its own way, yet it's complicated. If you're dealing with your own insurance policy because you're at fault in causing a crash or damage to your car, then you're looking at what your policy language is and what coverages you have for it. Often your agent is the first place to look to see if they can help you with what coverages you have and what you're entitled to under your policy. A lot of times under a policy, you're entitled to a rental car if it includes it. Your repairs will be subject to a deductible, so they won't pay for the full amount of the repairs, but they'll pay for everything but the deductible. You're entitled to parts that are appropriate for your vehicle. You do not have to settle for aftermarket parts. You don't have to settle for used parts. You can require new parts, again, as long as your policy entitles you to do so. So, if you've been involved in a crash and it's your fault, or you've decided to go ahead and pursue the claim based on your own insurance policy, then your rights will be governed by actually the language of your insurance contract. Does that give you a rental car during the repairs? Does it give you, how long do they have to repair it? Do you have to go to specific shops? In North Carolina, you are entitled to have your car repaired wherever you choose. So choose a good repair shop. You want to look at their reviews and go forward with that. You want to check with friends and see who have done, what repair shops have performed good for them. But those, in essence, that is how you handle your claim if you've been involved in a crash and it's your fault, or you want to go against your own insurance policy. Again, if you do, you'll be subject to a deductible. You'll be subject to the limitations on the policy. And if you have any questions concerning handling your own first-party claim, that is your claim against your own insurance company because of a crash that you've been in with your automobile, feel free to reach out to us. We're here. We're the lawyers at Fisher Stark. We help people who've been injured through no fault of their own. The purpose of this video is to help you walk through handling your own claim to repair your car if it's been involved in a crash and you want to go against your own insurance policy. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to handle the adjuster for the other side if you've been involved in a crash and it's someone else's fault. If you've been involved in a crash and it's someone else's fault, you probably do not want to go against your own insurance company to ask them to repair your vehicle, even if you have that coverage under the policy. There's a lot of reasons why. Mainly, you'll be subject to a deductible. You're subject to the limitations of your policy. And if you're looking at a claim through someone else's policy, they have to put you in the same condition you would have been in but for the wreck. In other words, they have to restore your car to the same condition it was in immediately before the crash, even though it was damaged in the crash. We hope this was helpful. If it was, please like us or give us a nice comment, share with your friends. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. We're here to help, and have a great day.